Sophie reflects on her planning up to this point, she is feeling more confident since she has a good handle on both the needs of the project stakeholders and the project requirements. Yet the more she thinks about the next steps, the more she feels uneasy. Sophie's natural tendency is to want to get going on the project rather than writing down the details. However, during some of her recent projects, this approach has caused problems later on. One or more of the following would usually take place. Even though the details were discussed with the project sponsor and other stakeholders, memories of the discussion and decisions would fade over time. There were often disagreements about what was or was not to be included in the project. Team members working on the project were often confused about what they were meant to produce. Small details were missed, causing a number of last-minute emergencies. Verifying the quality of the completed deliverables was difficult, as the team members were not sure what they should be looking for. So, for this project, Sophie decides to create a detailed project scope statement. Together with Fattyjet, she refers to the project requirements document as they begin to define the various deliverables that will be created during the project. They frequently need to communicate with many of the stakeholders in order to determine the characteristics of each deliverable. They are also constantly aware of their overall budget and project due date. In addition, there are a number of possible deliverables that are defined as not being in the scope of their project. For example, while the project requirements document included a requirement to update DecoCam printed material, it was decided that it would be more effective for the corporate promotions department to perform this task. To ensure this decision is documented, Fattyjet adds it to the project exclusion section of the project scope statement.